Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and this is my channel, Amanda's Daily Home, where I love to post videos on homemaking, cleaning, cooking, home decor, holiday decor, decluttering, and DIY videos. We are right in the middle of building a new house, so we are packing and moving, and my posting schedule is a little crazy, so make sure you are subscribed and have that little notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today I'm working on decluttering, cleaning, and packing the rental house because we have so much to organize before bringing it all into the new place. I'm starting off in my bedroom because I got the most amazing new blanket, you guys. I can't even tell you. I was seriously blown away when I opened this up and felt that blanket. The EVERCOOL Comforter is an absolute must-have for anyone who gets hot at night, gets night sweats, any women who are experiencing menopause symptoms, expectant moms, or just any hot sleepers out there. The cooling comforter uses the most cooling fabrics, and this was literally my reaction when I first felt the blanket. I'm doing a video, but oh my god, Cohen, like, I have never felt something like this in my life.
Why? What's it like?
Oh my god.
I don't feel it now.
Oh my god.
Is it comfy?
I cannot stop. So obviously I wasn't actually going to like post that clip, but I wanted you guys to see my actual reaction to the blanket. So just some more details on the blanket. The EVERCOOL blanket has a high thread count and super thin yarn, so it's 1/20th of silk, and it makes the comforters feel like a cooling, like a soft milk bath. The comforter itself is not really cold, it's the shell fabrics that allow heat to dissipate quickly. So it feels cold and it cools you down quickly when you touch it. The temperature regulating fabrics in the filling ensures that it can keep you warm on colder days as well. These fabrics are more typically seen in high performance sportswear and luxury brands like Burberry swimsuits and Lululemon leggings. Because cooling effects come from the fabric structure instead of chemical additives, it is 100% harmless to humans and doesn't compromise after washes. It is always worth it to invest in everyday comfort. Again, this blanket is ultra cool, softer than soft, and highly breathable. I seriously cannot stop touching it. I am so happy that I have an exclusive discount code for you guys if you want one of these to see for yourself. You will not be disappointed, I promise. It's probably my most favorite item I have received from YouTube, and I'm more than happy to partner with REST Duvet and the Cooling Comforter. So the discount code is AmandaA20. I will put it down below for you guys. I will link everything in the description box. You'll get 20% off of your purchase, and if you are thinking about getting one, just do it. I wouldn't tell you if I didn't love it this much, and it is really awesome. Alright, so since we are packing and decluttering and getting ready to move, there's nothing fancy going on here with my pillows or my bedding. Everything is just totally basic because I've got a lot of stuff already packed up. But anyways, I'm just folding towels, and I've actually been doing it this way right now. I'm just kind of rolling them and putting them in a basket in the bathroom because our linen closet is full of other things that we needed to store in there. And same with our closet in the bathroom. It's just full of like toiletries and stuff like that. So I have this little basket here, and that's where I've been keeping the towels. And my makeup bag has been a total disaster. Like, I had some black eyeshadow like break and get all over everything. So I emptied out my makeup bag. I'm going to throw that in the washing machine, and I just have to wipe everything down. So I'm using those Clorox wipes, and I'm just wiping everything down because it's full of that black eyeshadow. And I also want to wash my makeup brushes. They're just really gunky and yucky. So I just filled the sink, and I can't even remember what I put in there. I think it was just some shampoo. I don't have any like fancy cleaning stuff for my makeup brushes, so I just did the best I could with shampoo, and I think I ended up putting a little bit of conditioner in there after too. I've been really missing my makeup vanity that I had in the old house. I have it here, but it's stored downstairs in the second bathroom, and that is a bathroom that my dad uses. If you guys haven't like followed me for a while or missed it, my dad lives with us now. My mom passed away last year, so he doesn't want to be on his own, so he has a room downstairs, and in the new house he's going to have his own little area down there as well. So yeah, I just never go down there. I don't use that area, but I have no room upstairs for my makeup vanity, so that is what I really miss. I've been using just that makeup bag, and everything is just so disorganized and not very nice. So I'm looking forward to organizing that all in the new house. I have a really nice makeup vanity area that is going in the master bathroom. Okay, so that water from the makeup brushes is so gross. I got those brushes really clean, so I'm just like rinsing all of the soap and gunk out of these brushes, and then I'm going to put them in the little makeup jar that I have. Moving on to the living room, I'm sure you guys are probably looking and thinking like, oh my god, didn't she just clean this area in the last video? I am telling you, there is no keeping this clean. When you are in the middle of moving and packing and there's nowhere to put things, there's just nothing you can do about it. It's going to be a mess. There's going to be things everywhere. So yeah, don't mind the mess. There's stuff everywhere, moving boxes, things like that shouldn't belong in that room, but whatever. Anyways, I've got a bedding set here that I purchased for one of the new rooms in the new house. We don't need that here anymore, so we're going to go ahead and pack that into the truck and take that to the new house later on in this video. Here I'm just loading up a bag that is needing to be taken to donation. So that's going to go in the back of the truck as well. And then this hockey bag has a bunch of extra jerseys and stuff like that. That's going in the back of the truck to go to the new house. So all of this stuff is getting loaded onto the back of the truck. So as of the time that I am doing the voiceover for this video, I still haven't taken the stuff to donation, but I did end up getting like a couple of loads taken to the new house. So I will make sure that I film when I do take the donation stuff to donation. I know my sister is going to be taking a lot of the things that I don't want anymore for my boys, because she has 3 boys all around the same ages. So any excess stuff that I have that is still good, I'm just going to give it to her because she can definitely use it for them as well. All right, now this front entrance area is so crowded. We had nowhere else to put our piano. We didn't want to bring it upstairs. It is so heavy, so we figured that putting it in this front area would be the best bet because this is so temporary. But it definitely is crowded, and it's just been like a junk collector. So Cohen still does piano lessons. He practices sometimes, not as often as I would like him to, but he's not ready to give up his lessons yet. So I don't know where I'm going to put this piano in the new house. I don't really have anywhere that I want to put it on the main floor. It can't go upstairs. It's going to be way too heavy for the basement. So I don't know what to do with it. Maybe we can put it in our detached garage, which will be a heated garage, but he's probably not going to like that idea. So I need to brainstorm where I'm going to be putting this thing. And as you can see right now, I'm just packing up all of the shoes. So these are the good shoes that are going to be coming to the new house, but that don't get worn like super often right now. So I've got those Home Depot boxes I picked up. that's getting all loaded up with the shoes. I'm going to tape it up, and that is going out there today as well. So if you're looking for some decluttering motivation, this is a perfect video for that, because I am decluttering so much stuff while I'm doing the packing. A lot of the shoes that maybe in the past I would have kept because I'm like, oh, well, maybe somebody might still wear them. Like, they're not totally bad, but meanwhile, like, no one's going to wear them. They're really, like, you know, kind of worn out, maybe just a little bit of life left in them. I'm just getting rid of those. There is no point in keeping them. My kids are not going to end up wearing them, and they're just adding to the clutter and junk. So I've put it in my mind that anything questionable just needs to go.
This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me.
And I want to make sure that I label the boxes that I pack up really well, because there's nothing worse than having like a stack of boxes and then you need to like turn it or look at the other side to find out what it is, because when you labeled it only on one side. So I'm trying to make sure I label all of the boxes from all sides so that it's really easy to see where these boxes are going and what is inside of them. Now, a couple years ago, I did use chalk paint on this piano. I can't remember if I filmed that in one of my videos, but I used the chalk paint and it looked really, really good. But now it's like all chipped up. I never ended up putting the top coat on the piano, so that's probably why this is happening. But I'm not going to be buying a new piano. It does need new keys because when the kids were younger, they would like bang stuff on the keys and they were chipped. So I kind of need to do that if I'm going to be keeping it. And then I'm also going to be repainting it, but I'm not going to do that until we're in the new house, if I do decide to keep it, because there's just no point in doing it in here and it might get dinged and banged up during the move. So I will probably just paint it the same color and then just do a better job. Oh, and I'm using the Method Lavender All-Purpose Spray. Honestly, I love the scent of this one. I have not used the Method spray in a long time, and I just picked this one up the other day at the store. It is so soft and nice, and it doesn't smell heavy. So I'm really enjoying using that spray in my cleaning video today. Alright, so here we are at the new house. This is our detached garage. So what we're doing right now is we're just storing a bunch of our stuff in here. And this is actually perfect because I can bring all of the things we want to keep into this garage. And when it's time to start moving the stuff into the main house, that'll be basically once Jeff has done the he's on the taping stage right now. So he has to do the taping, sanding, and then he's going to do the priming and painting and installing the flooring. Then we can kind of start putting the bedrooms together and stuff like that. So it's actually perfect because we don't have to like bring everything into the main house. We can slowly move things into there and like really focus on organizing and being very intentional on the things that we want to bring into that house. I'm doing a pretty good job of decluttering, but any of the extra stuff, at least we can maybe like have a yard sale or just do donation or something like that with any of the stuff that's left over. So this is a garage. It's huge. It's got vaulted ceilings. This is going to be an awesome space when we finally get to finishing this. The space has so much potential, whether it be for like a workout area, a gym. We're planning on putting a pool in eventually, hopefully, so we can even have like a pool area, like, you know, swimsuits and things like that in there. So I'm just going to take you guys into the main house. This is where we are at right now. The fireplace is installed. Jeff just has to put the, I think he's using cement board. I can't remember what he said, but anyways, yeah, so Jeff is working on the taping upstairs right now, but the drywall is done in the whole rest of the house. So that is amazing. And this is our neighbor's house out here. It is a different house. They've got like a bunch of different like sloping roof lines, which is really cool. It's going to be quite a nice view when I'm standing at the kitchen sink because the houses are nice, the mountain views are nice. We've got some trees and nature and stuff like that. So I cannot wait. And then over here, this is actually in the pantry. So I've got mountain views through that pantry window as well. And then over here is the front door area, the foyer, nice 2-story foyer. I'm going to have to, I think I already know which light I want in here, so I'm going to have to order that. This is our mud room. I cannot wait to put the lockers in there. I cannot wait to do videos and show you guys like all the finishing things that are going to be going on because there's going to be a ton of little projects. We're not going to be moving into this place with everything like completely move-in ready. There will be little projects for us to complete, which I can do videos on, so that'll be fun. And then in Cohen's room over here, we wanted to lay out the flooring just to get an idea of what it's going to look like, and I absolutely love it. So we got white oak. It is the Creek series, engineered hardwood, nice big planks. It's by Opus Floors, if anyone was wondering. Opus Floors Canada. And yeah, I think it's called Angel Creek white oak flooring. So I cannot wait to see it all installed, but the texture of it is nice, the color. I'm super happy with our decision. And then over here is the balcony area. Jeff and I installed all of these posts. That was like so much work because we had to make sure that they were solid and level. And then over here is Jeff taping, and then my dad is just helping him for a few minutes. My dad used to do this kind of work years ago, but obviously he doesn't do it anymore, so he just wanted to try it out for a few minutes because it's been a long time since he's done anything like that. This is the bathroom, which is already taped. Jeff just has to put in, I think, the second and third coats because right now he's just working on the first coat. So super exciting, lots of stuff going on. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys got a bunch of decluttering and cleaning motivation. I cannot wait to post my next video for you guys and show you guys all the progress that is going to be happening. Make sure you are subscribed down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!